So what's up everybody, welcome back to another video here from Walking Wonders, bike travel with Johnny. This is going to be a short video. I want to show you guys some train trip in from, could be a very short one just to for entertainment purpose. I'm currently in East Ham, so you guys can see. If you see a beautiful temple like that means you are in, pretty much you are in East London, because East London is very, very popular for Asian communities, especially Sri Lankan Indian culture. So they do have masjid, mosque, and also they have like temples and stuff. So yeah, this is, as you can see, it's a beautiful temple. Architecture is all probably handcrafted, as you can see. It's a very, very hard job. I've known a person who did that back in the days when I was in Sri Lanka. Literally, they carved it by hand for my local temple. So most of them are from Jaffna, to be honest. They are very, very intelligent people. So in this video, I'm gonna take a train from East Ham to Barking, just for the fun. So let's see, this is East London, East Ham. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video about East Ham, just go and check out. I'll just walk from top to bottom of East Ham area and I'll show you guys everything I can see. As I said, this channel is basically to show you guys what I see. Basically from whatever I see from all eyes. And you see that too, so that's pretty much the truth. So we are close to the East London, East Ham Underground Station. So let's go and grab a train to Barking. Maybe it's fun, maybe it's not. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Alright, waiting for somebody, yeah? Yeah. Let's go. This is the East London East Ham station, guys. One of the oldest stations. You can see as you have a shop there, and you find card machines over there. You can get cards, and and you scan your card, and you go, okay. Go this side, you go west, and if you go this side, you go to East Ham. Sorry, eastbound. So these are the stations. As you can see, my stop is next Barking. It goes to Upney, Bacon Street, Dagenham, Heathway, Dagenham East, Elm Park, Owen Church, Upney, stand up. This is the bridge. So we're going to Barking. So that's what I got. I came here to get some stuff. Gonna get the train, go home, have something to eat. I'm hungry. Still, the time is 2:13 and 54 seconds. The train comes in 2 minutes to Upminster. So this is that train goes to Richmond District Line. As you can see, this is the station in East London, East Ham. So that side, if you get on that side, it will go to West End, westbound, sorry, I'm not sure why I'm calling it that. It's West End, but the station is westbound station. And if you go this way, it's going to be an eastbound station. So let's get a quick clip of this train moving out. And also hopefully I will catch my train coming in. That'd be good. If this train moves out and that train comes in, that'll be a good video, hopefully. Yeah. So again, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also a like button, and share my videos to make it go viral, because your support is very, very much appreciated. And also, if you guys have any idea about how to make these kind of videos interesting. Yes, that's good. Look at that. That train is moving and my train is coming. That's what exactly I was expecting. And we can see this is uphill, so just decline. And yeah, there you go. That's it. So yeah, let's get in. Go get in the train. It's only about one stop away. It's only about one stop away. Not that far. So let's get into the train.
This is East Ham.
Pretty much like
This is a district line train to Upminster. The next station is Barking.
Because these before it was kind of a block. Now the train is like entire straight direct train, which is very good. If you have any issues, you can just walk straight down and then walk down to the other part. It's about 2 stops away, 1 stop away. So let's go there. That side is nothing to see, so we'll be outside here. So again, so if you guys want to go, please do subscribe to my channel, Travel with Ronnie. In that channel, I usually do like travel vlogs, like different countries, food, culture, and things. I don't know if you guys can hear it because it's too noisy. So we are at the station right now, so let's go out. Let's go out and this is Barking Station. They are renovating. I think if you haven't seen my video previously about Barking, please do go and have a look at it. I will do a good video about the station once they renovate it. I think it's going to be looking like this, to be honest, because this is one of the big stations, to be honest. Big station. I can tell you that it's a big station because there are a lot of trains come to the station. It's not main. It's like a main station, CTC and yeah. So I think if you guys watch my previous video about Barking, you might have seen all these. As soon as you come out, you see a market here. And also I mentioned in my previous video about that as well. So this is barking. So if you guys enjoy this video, what I will do is I will walk you through the market again to my apartment to make the video a little bit longer. So once again guys, please do hit the subscribe button on this channel and also my other channel, Travel with Ronnie. That'd be really appreciated. Your support is immense and really help increase the subscribers, to be honest. Yeah. So I really appreciate you guys to subscribe to this channel and also my other channel. And also, like as I said, I'm going to Paris for a couple of days, and I'm going to be uploading walking tours in Paris for this channel very soon, maybe next month. And also that's the other video on my other channel is going to be my separate vlog. And I've got 2-3 cameras, so one is going to be like a full, this channel like a walking one, this kind of walking tour, and the other channel I'm going to be like doing the usual stuff about my like cultures and food and also reviews and my travel destination, how do I travel and stuff like that on my other channel. So if you are interested in learning about different culture, food, street food, hotel reviews, do go back to check out the Travel with Ronnie channel and subscribe to that. And end of every my trip, I usually do a guide, kind of like help guide for people to learn, educate people about scams and transportation, how to get transport, what kind of hotels you need to get, or if I stay in a hotel, I give them a better review so they can have a better understanding about what kind of hotel they're staying in. So yeah, hopefully that will be interesting for you guys if you are traveling to those countries. So yeah, please do go back to, I put the link on this one on my comment section so you guys can basically what's up, right?
How was Christmas?
Good.
Didn't see you Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too, bro. See you. Bye. Yeah, so yeah, so if you guys, if you are, like for example, if you are traveling to like Tunisia, Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, go and check out those channels because I've given some useful information about how to get transport, how not to get caught on the kind of scammers or from taxis, and what kind of hotels that you need to stay and the places that you'd like to visit in those areas. So those are kind of useful tips if you are traveling to those countries. So every country that I go, I usually do a kind of a travel guide or travel, to help the people, tourists, to learn things from my experience. So I'm just uploading my Doha video, so hopefully very soon I want to create a kind of a travel, kind of a guided thing for Doha. So if you are traveling to Doha, so it might be helpful, the places that you want to visit in Doha, kind of thing. So that's about it, guys. I'm just entering the car park. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also subscribe button on the Travel with Ronnie channel. And thanks for watching and have a wonderful 2025. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Hopefully either East End or the Green Street. See you, bye.